Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how to unblock Instagram user who blocked you. It's a very simple step. You tell your friend to create the chat group between you and the person who you want to unblock. This is very simple step. You can go in direct chat box and you can press on add button and you can search the name of your profile and search the name of that person who blocked you. Then create the chat box and send the message here and go back and log in your profile. Here you can see the option, you can press on stay in group. Then you can open that option and press on the three dot. Here you can press the unblock and press again on the unblock. Now it's done. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.